This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a ghost jawbone in Roblox. First, we will open Roblox Studio and prepare our workspace for modeling. We'll then focus on creating the basic shape of the jawbone, ensuring it has a distinct ghostly appearance. This process involves using simple shapes and modifiers to achieve the desired effect, making it accessible for creators of all skill levels. We'll aim for a translucent, ethereal look. To begin modeling your ghost jawbone, start by inserting a basic part, like a block, into your workspace. Utilize the Negate tool to subtract sections, forming the curved structure of a jaw. Focus on creating a hollow, skeletal appearance, perhaps with jagged edges to enhance the ghostly effect. You can adjust the size to approximately 2 by 3 by 1 studs for a good fit on most avatars. This initial shaping is crucial for the final aesthetic. Next, we'll give our jawbone its ghostly appearance through texturing and transparency. Select your model and change its material to smooth plastic or glass for a translucent effect. Adjust the transparency property to around 0.6, allowing it to be partially see-through. Choose a pale color, like a very light gray or white, to enhance the ethereal feel. For an extra touch, you could even add a subtle neon material to parts for a faint glow. Finally, let's attach and finalize your ghost jawbone. Group all the individual parts of your jawbone into one model. Then, insert a weld constraint and connect it to the avatar's head part, ensuring it stays in place. Carefully position the jawbone just below the avatar's mouth, making sure it doesn't clip through other accessories. Test your creation in-game to confirm it moves naturally with the avatar and maintains its spooky, ethereal presence. You've now created a unique ghost jawbone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.